Our organization is called Impact. It's short for Impacted Medicine. Our goal is to not only impact current students through medicine, so give them opportunities to grow in the healthcare field. From that, we also want to give back to the community, so that's another category. Our main focus is to help the students. We as doctors, we are often busy with our work, and we are often loaded with tests and activities. So apart from that, we also want to take some time. Volunteering is relaxing for a lot of us, so we just want to give back to the community. And use those opportunities to do better. We've been volunteering with the animal shelter here. I've been going there every week, and we just had a big event on last Saturday. We had a bunch of us go there, clean the dog cages, play with the dogs, play with the cats, whatever way. And then I was also helping with the Children's Week event in the library here. I feel like any small thing is useful. I feel like we all need to give back to the community, and that's what my colleagues feel too.
This Saturday, we're doing an event at Lagoon Beach, and our goal is to collect at least 100 bags of trash in beach cleaning, and it's open to anyone in the community, not just St. James students. We encourage everyone to come participate and help take care of the community.
Our goals for Impact is to simply become a voice within the community, as well as seek the professional help of our colleagues and our future colleagues from other physicians and other scientists and other researchers who may be doing things that we might not be aware of or might not want to or may want to actually get involved with. So one of our goals is to actually get involved with the community, as well as gain those networks of health professionals who can actually help us obtain our goals.
Did you already meet with some professionals or local people?
Currently, we've only met with our actual professors here on campus, and we spoke with them just to get a general idea of what they do and how interested they are in Impact. But generally speaking, we haven't had a chance to actually speak with the community on the different health professionals that are currently here.
So this is an invitation for everyone to come participate with Impact this Saturday from 3 to 6 at Lagoon Beach for a beach cleaning pickup day. Our goal is to collect 100 bags of garbage from the beach and help to beautify this location.